Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about why study binary numbers. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why study binary numbers? Studying binary numbers is important for several reasons, particularly in the context of computer science, digital electronics, and information technology. Here are some key reasons why studying binary numbers is valuable. Number one, fundamental understanding. Binary is the foundation of digital technology. Understanding binary numbers is crucial to comprehend how computers and digital system works at the lowest level. Binary representation of data in instructions is essential in computing. Number 2, data representation. Computers and digital systems represent all data such as numbers, text, and multimedia using binary code. Learning binary allows you to understand how this data is stored and manipulated. Number 3, logic and Boolean algebra. Binary numbers are intimately tied to Boolean algebra, which forms the basis for digital logic circuits. Binary representation simplifies logical operations and makes it easier to design and analyze digital circuits. Number 4, addressing and memory. Memory in computers is organized in access using binary addresses. Understanding binary is critical for working with computers, memory, and storage systems. Number 5, programming. Many programming languages use binary representations, especially in low-level programming. Understanding binary can help you write more efficient code and troubleshoot problems. Number 6, error detection and correction. Binary codes are often used in error detection and correction techniques. By knowing binary, you can better understand how these methods works. Number 7, digital communication. Binary is the basis for digital communication systems, including the encoding and transmission of data over networks and the internet. Number 8, computer architecture. Understanding binary is crucial when studying computer architecture as it is the basis for operations at the hardware level. Number 9, bit manipulation. Many programming tasks involve manipulating individual bits in data. Understanding binary makes bit-level operations more manageable. Number 3, cryptography. Binary plays a significant role in many cryptographic algorithms and protocols, including encryption and decryption. Number 11, number systems. Understanding binary helps in comprehending other number systems such as octal and hexadecimal, which are commonly used in computer science. Number 12, problem solving. Developing the ability to work with binary numbers can improve your problem solving skills, logical thinking, and mathematical reasoning. In summary, studying binary numbers is essential in the digital age as it forms the basis for a wide range of computer-related fields and technologies. It provides a solid foundation for understanding the inner workings of computers and digital systems, which are pervasive in our daily lives. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on why we should study binary numbers. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.